If the facade and structure can look this good, you can only imagine how beautiful the interior is. I'm right here in the compound of this 5-bedroom fully detached right here in Lekki. We have this beautiful carport, and the compound space can comfortably take up to 7 or 8 cars. Can you imagine that? Before we come in, guys, I'd love to tell you how the security cameras are posted. We have this beautiful smart lock system which leads us directly to the waiting area, then to the living area. This home, the smart home, comes with an inbuilt speaker, fully air conditioned. It has its own fire alarm system. Let me take you into the kitchen, guys. The kitchen comes with a microwave, an oven, motion sensor lights just above the gas burner with heat extractor, and the double-sided sink. On this floor, we have 2 spacious rooms, the family lounge, the cinema, one of the highlights of the tour, the master bedroom, with a beautiful chandelier leading to an open roof terrace, the walk-in closet, and the master bathroom comes beautifully adorned with golden and ivory finish.